The real Tesh.
The real Tesh. What is even happening?
I have no idea. Well, this is no fun. Remember what happened last time?
Wait, what?
I'd like to point out that, I'm gonna whisper to him tomorrow. Okay. I know who.
That's so weird.
I'd just like to point out there's like 0 chance it's not Psy. Wait, it is, but whatever.
What?
Definitely gotta do this.
The vid shotter? What?
What? Wow.
Wait, what happened?
The vigilante shot the lookout. What? That's one trigger happy Vig.
Mm-hmm. For just some random lynching too.
Wait, do I have?
Oh, cleaned. Jester alert. This is so confusing. Oh. I'm what?
Sometimes I just want to watch the world burn.
Are you Arso?
What? No! Of course not. Wow.
So he's awesome, man.
You
I
guys
know.
are so
I know who he is
accusive.
too.
You guys are just so accusive, and it just hurts that y'all would ever say this stuff about me. I've done nothing to y'all. I'm just trying to have a good time of playing this nice game y'all introduced me to. Now you're trying to get me killed. Wow. You just don't know some people, do you? You just don't know some people.
Oh, there goes the bench.
Okay guys, gotta trust here. If it's not me, it's totally the real Tesh. Believe.
I don't trust you in the slightest. So you're Tesh then?
Yeah, he is.
Jester, I'm not the Jester, guys. I'm not the Jester, I promise. Believe. You guys
What is
really
going
should
on?
like it'd be your best decision to lynch me right now. I'm not even a Jester, I promise. Like I'm not even lying, but it'd probably be. Why are you people voting against?
What is going on? I'm so confused.
You are. Hello.
Wait, what? Like,
I just got.
you got executed?
I just got the jail.
You got the jailer to kill you?
What were you?
What do you think?
I don't know what you were. You know, Jester has to be hung, right? Are you Survivor again?
Yes.
What?
You're such a troll.
I'm just a lonely survivor. I mean, alright guys, I'm getting off. I got a cute girl to go talk to. A peace. So.
Okay. Bye. What a weirdo. I have no idea who is who at this point. Everyone's claiming survivor.
So he's not realizing what I'm saying.
Wait, are you a survivor as well?
Yes, the Annie was a survivor. It just happened to be that there's 2 survivors already, and that's why I said just my luck.
Oh.
The jailer believed me as well. He believed that there were 2 survivors. Because there were 2 survivors. Also, I really wish he would stop trying to get himself killed as the survivor, because that screwed me over. If it wasn't for the other if he hadn't gotten himself killed, it would have been fine. So, now that I'm dead, what are you and who are you?
I'm Mr. Popular and I'm Blackmailer. And I really hope my fellow Mafia saves me from being killed tonight.
Totally not Tesh's Mafia. Wrong. Wait. Oh, God damn it. So what happened the first night? Like, because I was so expecting the jailer to come back and jail me and say, hey, no one died the night I jailed you, but then someone died when I didn't jail you.
I have no idea.
I mean, he didn't.
I don't remember what happened.
But yes, my plan was ruined by the fact that there was already an Annie, being the other survivor. You're hanging the guy who claims survivor, right?
Yes, I think
They're
so.
hanging the guy who claims survivor.
It's very possible that he's survivor.
Oh, I guarantee he's survivor. God damn it. I think the Mafia's won.
It would have been better off if,
You didn't hang him? Let me guess, Cecilia's Mafia as well?
Nope.
Oh wow, okay. What are the bloody odds of 2 survivors? God damn it. No, sorry, what are the odds of 2 survivors the time I claim to be the any survivor? What was Styx's role then?
Sticks? I don't know.
Oh, the janitor knows.
I know, but...
He's not saying.
No. He didn't, so I didn't have a chance to ask him.
Ah, okay. So who's the Mafia then, since you guys have basically won now?
Technically, we haven't won yet. But
Okay.
it's me, Mega, and the real Tesh.
Oh, so he was right in saying who it was then. Oh, there goes the jailer. The dead are a bunch of assholes. You have no idea how perfectly timed that was. We were just talking about how there's no medium, and then he's like, the dead are a bunch of assholes. I forgot there's still a mayor. Say you blocked someone last night. Say you blocked Megan. And then hopefully Mega will back you up. Oh crap, yeah, he claimed medium. And there can't be a medium and a escort. Well, no matter what, you were screwed then. Because the Godfather had to claim medium.
Why would you whisper to me? Mega! I mean, it doesn't really matter at this point, but...
What did he whisper? So many
He
times.
said, shut it. I don't know what Cecil is.
Nope, and we find out. I'm pretty sure Town's lost it anyway. You should have said you blocked them. Oh, he was blackmailed. Oh, he was blackmailed! Oh, you should have said you blocked them then while they were blackmailed.
That would have put Mega on the stand, though.
Oh, yeah, I guess so. Oh, yeah, there was no way out of that. Oh well. Mafia wins. I'm just glad Town doesn't... God, another survivor, really. My plan was ruined by luck. Too much power, dude. I just realized they're the other... Oh, no, never mind. Never mind, there was the Jester up there. Nope, they're not AFK.
No. They were blackmailed yesterday, that's why I did that, and I didn't.
And you forgot about it.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
Elder left the game. Oh, 6 is rat.
Ah. That's what the support was. That's why he claimed medium. That's why he claimed medium. Wait, what? Wait, what? What the hell? Mega is betraying you. What the hell is going on?
I've been framed.
What the fuck? Why? Why did he vote him up? Oh, he even had... Wow, that sucks. My plan failed. I'm sad.